Kinetic and mechanical optical illusion sculptures. Kinetic and mechanical sculptures are works of art that blur the line between engineering and imagination. They are not still objects but living illusions, powered by wind, gears, pulleys, or simple human interaction. These mesmerizing creations transform raw materials into moving organisms, hypnotic patterns, and illusions that challenge how we see motion itself. Unlike static art, kinetic and mechanical illusion sculptures evolve with time, space, and environment, becoming a dialogue between science and creativity. Theo Jansen and the Strandbeest revolution. Few names are as closely associated with kinetic illusions as Theo Jansen, the Dutch artist and visionary behind the famous Strandbeests. Built from humble PVC tubes, these skeletal creatures walk the beaches of the Netherlands powered only by the wind. In early coverage from outlets like The New Yorker and BBC News, Jansen demonstrated how these massive structures shuffle across the shoreline like mechanical animals. Satchi Liberman eye-tracking drawing installation mirror. Satchi Liberman, a pioneer in digital and interactive art, created an installation where a mirror doesn't just reflect your face, it draws with your gaze. Using sophisticated eye-tracking software, every movement of the viewer's pupils becomes a brushstroke, sketching patterns and forms across the projection surface. This turns the act of looking into an act of creation, blurring the line between the artist and the audience. Anthony Howe's hypnotic wind sculptures. If Jansen's Strandbeests embody walking life, Anthony Howe captures the invisible force of wind in his kinetic sculptures. His monumental piece de octo is a swirling, alien-like structure made of stainless steel arms that twist endlessly in the breeze. Seen in its long-form demonstrations, the sculpture resembles both a blooming flower and a cosmic machine, depending on perspective. Ruben Margolin and the Poetry of Waves. Another master of illusion in motion is Ruben Margolin, known for his mathematical wave sculptures. His installation for Make Television revealed the complexity of his designs, which transform mechanical parts into moving waves that ripple like oceans. One of his most iconic pieces, Confluence, uses hundreds of wooden slats and pulleys to mimic fluid motion, creating the sensation that an artificial ceiling has turned into a flowing river. Wintergatan Marble Machine X, Kinetic Music Illusion Build. The Marble Machine X, designed by Martin Molin of the Swedish band Wintergatan, is both a musical instrument and a kinetic sculpture. Using thousands of marbles rolling through wooden tracks, gears, and levers, the machine produces real music with instruments like a vibraphone, bass, and drums. Watching it in motion feels like witnessing a mechanical illusion. The sound and movement are so synchronized it seems impossible that marbles alone are controlling the rhythm. Ivan Black and the Geometry of Movement. British sculptor Ivan Black explores motion through repeating geometric forms. His vortex sculptures, with hypnotic rings rotating inside one another, create patterns that seem to fold space itself. The illusion lies in perception. As the rings spin, the eye cannot track where one begins or ends, creating a never-ending dance of geometry. Arthur Ganson, Machines with Soul. Where some kinetic artists strive for grandeur, Arthur Ganson finds poetry in simplicity. One of his best-known works is The Machine with Oil and Feathers, where a slow, deliberate mechanism dips feathers into a small pool of oil. The act seems absurdly mundane, yet it becomes hypnotic. The illusion here is philosophical, a machine designed not for efficiency, but for meaning. Bob Potts and the Dream of Flight. Another artist who blends mechanics with illusion is Bob Potts, whose kinetic flying machines appear to defy gravity. In demonstrations, his models unfold wings and rotate propellers with delicate precision, mimicking flight without ever leaving the ground. The magic lies in their believability, the illusion that with just a little more wind or energy, they might soar into the sky. Potts' work highlights how kinetic sculptures capture human aspirations, transforming gears into metaphors for freedom and imagination. Rolling ball sculpture illusion. Perpetual track kinetic art. Rolling ball sculptures create the illusion of endless motion. Steel balls glide along looping tracks filled with spirals, drops and lifts, powered by hidden lifts or counterweights. The illusion is one of perpetual energy. The balls appear to roll forever without stopping, tricking the eye into believing in infinite motion. These sculptures are both engineering marvels and playful illusions, drawing us into a world where physics feels magical. Wooden Wonders, David C. Roy and John Buck. Wood, a material often seen as static, becomes dynamic in the hands of artists like David C. Roy and John Buck. Roy creates mesmerizing wooden wall sculptures that spin endlessly, powered by intricate gear systems hidden within. His works resemble blooming flowers or infinite spirals, pulling viewers into a meditative trance. Helical kinetic sculpture, Benjamin Coulton's spirograph machine. Benjamin Coulton's helical kinetic sculpture, often called a spirograph machine, takes mechanical illusion to another level. Through gears, cranks, and helical motion, the machine generates intricate looping designs that mimic the elegance of mathematical curves. As the spirograph patterns expand and overlap, they create an optical effect that feels alive, almost as if the sculpture is sketching in real time. Coulton's work transforms engineering into poetry, demonstrating how mechanical precision can produce endlessly beautiful and unexpected illusions. Yuram Choo, mechanical organisms. South Korean artist Yuram Choo builds kinetic sculptures that resemble living organisms. Exhibited in Seoul and around the world, his creations pulse, breathe, and expand as though alive. These are not mere machines. They are mechanical organisms, blurring the line between biology and engineering. Illusions of language. Marcus Rates. Not all kinetic illusions rely on complex machinery. Marcus Rates created the iconic yes or no sculpture, where a rotating head shifts between the words yes and no depending on the viewer's perspective. It is a simple but profound illusion. The truth changes as the angle changes. Rates reminds us that optical illusions in sculpture need not be large or complex. Sometimes the most powerful illusions are those that challenge perception with a single twist. Daniel Rosen, Mirrors That Move. Few artists have explored the illusion of reflection as deeply as Daniel Rosen. His wooden mirror, created at NYU, uses hundreds of mechanical pixels that rotate in response to a camera, reconstructing a viewer's reflection in real time. Later works expanded into different materials and interactive mechanical mirrors showcased by Wired, where movement and light create living portraits. Philippe Pantone, Kinetic Chrome Illusions. Philippe Pantone, often associated with futuristic street art, has brought his style into the kinetic sculpture world with chrome illusions. His sculptures reflect light and motion so vividly that they appear to glitch, almost like digital screens. The illusion is both optical and cultural, blending physical movement with the aesthetics of the digital age. Gardens of Motion, Lyman Whitaker. Nature and art merge beautifully in Lyman Whitaker's wind sculpture gardens. Dozens of spinning metal forms rise from the ground, swaying in breezes like a living forest of illusions. Filmed in time-lapse, these gardens become choreographed performances where each sculpture seems to communicate with the others. Whitaker's works highlight how kinetic illusions thrive outdoors, interacting with natural forces to produce ever-changing spectacles. From automata to interactive installations, the spectrum of kinetic and mechanical illusions also includes innovators like Satchi Liberman, who created installations that track eye movement to draw in real time, merging human interaction with machine performance. Similarly, Wintergatan's Marble Machine X combined engineering and music, turning thousands of marbles into a musical performance, while kinetic automata by countless artists continue to blur the lines between play, art, and science. Why kinetic illusions captivate us. The fascination with kinetic and mechanical illusions lies in their ability to combine the logical with the magical. We understand that these are machines, yet when in motion, they transcend mechanics and become something more: creatures, waves, mirrors, or stories. They remind us of the endless creativity possible when art meets engineering. If you found yourself mesmerized by these kinetic and mechanical optical illusion sculptures, imagine seeing them in motion. each creation weaving together science, imagination, and artistry. Which of these sculptures spoke to you the most? The Strandbeest roaming the shore, Anthony Howe's hypnotic wind dancers, or Daniel Rosen's mechanical mirrors that reflect your very presence? Share your thoughts in the comments, because the world of kinetic illusions is as endless as the imagination behind them. And if you'd love to explore more stories where art, science, and wonder collide, make sure you subscribe and stay tuned for more deep dives into the fascinating world of illusionary art.